Pumpkin is a very nutritious and low-calorie product with sweet pulp, delicious seeds, and a lot of healing properties. It's not surprising that every autumn people strive to get a pumpkin to use it for cooking. In this video, I'm going to tell you why pumpkin is useful and how to choose it. Initially, pumpkin was grown in Mexico, but over time it was brought to our region. This is a low-calorie vegetable which has only 26 kilocalories per 100 grams. That's why it doesn't affect the figure. With these dietary characteristics, pumpkin is very rich in vitamin A, almost the entire group of vitamin B, copper, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and folic acid. The benefits of pumpkin for the body are really great. It accelerates wound healing and improves blood formation, helps lose weight, has a very powerful laxative effect, and is very effective in treating constipation. Thanks to pumpkin, you can significantly reduce swelling and speed up the metabolism in the body. And because of the high content of natural antioxidants, pumpkin will keep the skin in good condition, improve vision, and slow down the aging process. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with selenium, iron, and fatty omega-3 acids. Besides, they are very nutritious and can cleanse the intestines and stomach. That's why it's necessary to include them in your weekly diet. If you decide to buy a pumpkin from the market, be sure to check the condition of its peel. It should not have any defects, damages, wrinkles, or cuts. A perfect smooth skin indicates that the vegetable will be very healthy and tasty. Also, a mature pumpkin will produce a slightly wooden knock, so be sure to knock on this vegetable when you buy it, as well as you do it with watermelon.